Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me today for another Inner Child Oracle card reading. I actually wasn't going to do an interpretive reading today, but they were screaming at me. So this one's very specific for someone. So take a deep breath in, tune in with your inner child and ask, is this message for me? The cards are a little bit heavier this morning, but they also gave us a way through this, okay? So the very first card we pulled was Chelsea Overwhelmed. Chelsea often feels like we're drowning by life responsibilities, and I want you to take a step back and come into the present moment. Nothing in the future exists, nothing in the past is here anymore. So take a deep breath and come here. Now, honor that your inner child is feeling a little overwhelmed right now. It might be because there are triggers from past abuse coming up. And everything she's feeling, he's feeling, they are feeling is totally valid. But it's our job now on this healing journey to go within and talk that inner child through what's coming up. Taking big, deep breaths and going inward and validating all of these emotions and feelings of overwhelm and anxiety that might be surfacing. We cannot neglect ourselves right now. Lilith neglect says everybody else might have neglected you and not met your needs, but now it's your job to meet your inner child's needs as they're moving through this. You adult you, present moment you have all the knowledge, you know the things to do, but your inner child is the one that needs the reparenting and the care and the time and the attention. They're feeling really confused. Colby confusion comes out to let you know that all of this stuff is really confusing them. All of the triggers, the anxiety, the overwhelm, because, they've created that connection with you. They're starting to feel safe, but these triggers just take them out of their body. And so you need to go into that inner child and connect with source. Nayeste is saying, connect with your divinity, your magic, your clarity and peace of mind. Whether you say a prayer or tune inward and feel the divine support all within you and throughout you, and teach your inner child. They are divine, they are magic, they are pure, and they are innocent regardless of how they are feeling right now. That is the truth. And Alaric is here to say yes. Breathe, open that third eye, tap into the universal knowledge of all that you are, and create some clarity, knowing that these things that happened to you, these things you went through, do not define you. They were things that happened, and now you have the ability to go in and heal, validate those feelings, and respond to life in a new way, saying, I'm going to walk this life as a beautiful, bold, conscious being in my power, not allowing others, not allowing emotions, not allowing anything else to take my power, time, and attention away, but I'm going to be here in the present moment, tapping into my magic and embracing life, whatever might come my way. So big, deep breath, plan on miracles, and I'm here. I see you. I love you.